How to redeem Uber gift card. Redeeming your gift card on Uber or even the Uber Eats app is very simple. To do so, you can launch the Uber application and log into your account. Then tap the account icon located from the bottom right of the screen. Tap on the wallet option from the very top of the screen and select the option called Add Payment Method. When you select the option Add Payment Method, you'll find various types of options. One of the payment method will be the option called the gift card. So just tap the gift card option and simply type in your gift card code. Once you type in your gift card code, just hit the arrow button. Depending upon the value of the gift card, so if it is a $100 gift card, that value will be automatically applied whenever you're ordering on Uber or Uber Eats next time. This way you can redeem your gift card on Uber or even the Uber Eats app. Hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.